Guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile, and all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on, so when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video, so it's going to take a time to open. Then you click here on visibility here. When you click on it, when you click on visibility, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here and you click here on share profile updates with your network, and come to this and come here to share key profile updates. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean share key profile updates disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.